Hi guys, so after a long day of work, I'm gonna show you guys my nighttime routine. So when I have makeup on, I use first a makeup remover to take off all the makeup. Then, to make sure my face is well clean, I wash my face with Cetaphil facial cleanser with nice cold water to refresh my face. Then I use a toner. I put a little bit in a cotton ball all over my face. Then sweet almond oil for the eyes, just a little bit, and apply all around the eyes. I just started using sweet almond oil for my eyes. I was looking for a natural remedy for my dark eye circles, and this is a natural skin lightener for dark eye circles, and it also helps reduce puffiness underneath the eyes. And facial spray. Followed by moisturizer. And that is it.